Hi friends, welcome back to Karah's Beauty Bar. Today, I'm giving you a tour of Karah's Beauty Bar. So I know a lot of you were waiting to see the tour. I know I opened the salon months ago and I told you guys I would give a tour. I've just been spending a few months, actually finishing, setting everything up and doing a lot of stuff. I was waiting for the space to be done for quite a while. So if you want to know what happened, go to my life update. It was like forever ago. And there's a crazy story in there. So you can go in that video. I'll link it above. But so a lot of the stuff was on hold, and then, just getting everything together and making sure everything was good. It's still not perfect. It's still not all put together. There's still some painting to be done, like that door right there. Can you see it's like different from all the other ones? But I'm gonna give you a tour. So let's get started. All right, guys, getting around to my salon. So if you come down, this is what it looks like from the stairs. So I am actually going to put a white rope around this pole so it doesn't look so ugly. Just haven't gotten a chance to do that yet. There still needs some touch-ups with paints and stuff. The stairs need to be painted. And then that area is just kind of over there. I don't really use that area, but this is the bathroom. So, and it's almost Easter, so I got my little eggs going on. Yep. And then over here, we go into the main area and we've got our chair, stuff like that. Over there's the desk. So over here, we have our little waiting area. I really like this couch. It was like some old lady's couch that we got, and in the pictures it looked really ugly, but like when I put it there it looked really good. The only thing that's bothering me is that the pillowcases do not match the blanket, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but everyone else seems to think it's fine. So yeah, so usually there's a cat perched there. I did not let her come downstairs while I was doing this. And then I have usually some stuff for sale in those things. And then of course I have the vanity. I got these cute little butterfly things. I think off of Amazon, maybe for Christmas. I stuck them everywhere. I thought they were cute. So got lots of stuff in there, and got some stuff in the drawers. I got all of my airbrushing stuff like that. Lots of lashes. So yeah, so that's the vanity. And then we've got like the steamer, our chair. Let me back up a little bit. So this is the chair that you're gonna get your facials in. I got most of my products on this little cart thing. Got the steamer that can roll out. I usually stick it in this corner to get it out of the way. I still have to hang some pictures up. And then this is like my cabinet for all the things. So all my towels and all that stuff. I have my little, what's called, towel warmer. I got my barbicide wipes, the wax machine, what's it called, the waxing pot thing, all my wax stuff, my hamper, and that's pretty much most of that. That's where all the fun things happen. My office, well, I got the desk over here. If you saw my last video, the new spring products came in, so they're up right now. So I do need to get another chair. And why is there peanuts? So yeah, so it's a little bit of a mess right now. I'm doing like a little Easter special thing. I have pedicure sets in there, and it's a little crazy, but that's where all of the stuff happens. Over here I just got some stuff. I do have some products and stuff for sale on top. This is my clearance area for all the stuff I have on clearance. And then I have these giant closets that you could tell that one of them still needs a little bit more paint. So in here is actually an entire inventory of products. So that's fun. So yeah, so that is the tour. And of course, I still have a few things to do, like hang some pictures up, and stuff like that. That is it. That's the whole salon. All right, so that was my tour. It's a pretty small space and I only take one customer at a time, but you know, it does what it needs to do. And if you are interested in coming and checking out the salon, we are located in Woodland, Pennsylvania. So it's kind of near Philadelphia. So if you're in that general vicinity and want to check it out, my website is karahsbeauty.com. All the information is down below as well. It's by appointment only, so make sure you schedule an appointment online or you can text or call the number and I will get you in. So all of my services are on the website. For the most part, they are facials, chemical peels, and waxing. I also do makeup application and bridal services. And I do have a teeth whitening certification. I don't know if I will have that available by the time this video comes out, but I am planning on getting the stuff and adding that service by the end of the year. So keep an eye out on the website to see when that does come out, because that will be very exciting when that does. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.